Seeing might be believing, but watching this art sculpture in motion will captivate you and have you thinking, what am I really looking at? What you're seeing is art brought to life. Objects inside the frame move in an ethereal, slowed down way that feels like magic. It's not magic, but careful science at work here that makes the motion seem so natural and effortless. High-speed strobe lights and vibrations are timed to synchronize and trick the eye. The art piece comes with feathers, and you can mix up other lightweight things to put into motion, like flowers or leaves. The sculpture is made by Jeff Lieberman, a slow-speed photographer, musician, and above all, an artist. He made the first one as a wedding gift for a pair of dancers, hence its name, Slow Dance. Jeff is passionate about exploring the intersection of art and science, which is a bit like a dance, too. His moving art engages folks in a unique way, and it's something that we couldn't stop watching.